Alright everyone, Cowboy Trades here, welcome back to the channel. I just wanted to get a few quick mini updates out today. And first of all, let's start off with the Bitcoin mining sell pressure. Now, at this moment in time, miners are once again increasing the amount of selling pressure they are putting on the Bitcoin blockchain. If we do come over, you can see a handful of times that this has happened. This is actually the 8th time that miners have started selling since the Bitcoin all-time high was put in round about 69,000. Now, we've talked about this before on the channel. Just because miners are selling doesn't always mean that the price has to go to the downside. You can see in white I've highlighted times where miners have started selling, and you can see a break to the downside, break to the downside, break to the downside, break to the downside. Here you broke to the downside, bounced back up, and as miners really started selling and ramping up, you can see that we did break back down into the bottom of this trend. You can see once again over here, miners started increasing their sell pressure, we broke down again. There have been times, however, like over here on the 13th of March, where miners really did start selling, and price action actually managed to push up for about 17 days or so. Now, as you can see right now, miners have been starting to sell into this most recent rally. Since the 8th of January, when Bitcoin was priced around about 17,000, you can see the higher and higher we've pumped up. We're currently sitting at 21,280 as of the time of recording this. Miners have started to sell into this rally. Now, we've quite recently talked about on the channel the profitability of mining, how the profitability of mining is going to the downside, and also the hash rate is going to the upside as well, which means it's becoming significantly harder for miners to stay profitable, keep their machines running, and mine that same amount of Bitcoin that they were previously running. Now, you can see that we have been rallying for about the past 9 days or so, and if we do continue with the previous trend, we could potentially see, another week or two worth of a rally while miners do sell into this. Now, if we do see mining sell pressure start to really climb up, you can see, just like it did before, mining sell pressure took a big run to the upside, and it took a little bit of time, but we did eventually start breaking back down to the downside. So like I said, just a really quick update, something to take note of. Most of the times, being 6 out of 8 times, we have broken to the downside, and at this moment in time we're pumping just like we have in this other scenario. But once again, one thing to take note of is the last time that miners started to sell when we rallied, this really did not last long before we started to break back down to the downside. So like I said, just a super quick update. Just wanted to let you know there's a few other things that I do want to update in some short form videos, so expect a few more quick updates coming out today. All I've got for you for this one, as always, if you do enjoy the content, let me know down below by leaving a like and a comment, share the videos with your friends, and if you do want more economic data, posts, memes, charts from me, be sure to head over to my Twitter at 618_cowboy. All I've got for you today, as always, it's been your boy Cowboy Trades. I'm out. Peace.